Eureka by Patsnap is a website that allows teams to go from concept to market, where R&D, IP, and CI can also be executed. If this is your first time here, my name is Jay, and this is the Everyday AI channel, where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here, and what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to go with one of their prompts. Now, this seems to be a sort of all-in-one platform that allows you to essentially conduct a market research, figure out what you should be patenting if you wish to patent something, and actually how to approach, I guess, the development of any sort of tools or any sort of intellectual property as well. So we're going to dive right into this. I'm going to go with one of these one-click prompts. So in solid state batteries, which technology routes are major companies focusing on in their patent filings? Interesting stuff. So this is ultimately another way to actually search through patents as well. So I'm just going to wait and see what this gives us. Okay, and now we have the output from the agent called Hero, it seems. So we can actually look through Hero's thought patterns and see exactly what he was searching. Okay, so this expands quite nicely. We can see all of the specific sort of data points this agent was looking at. We can see all the web pages that it actually went to, so we can actually have a more thorough verification process for its sources, which is pretty cool. Of course, like I always say to my corporate clients, you should always use these models for things that are hard to do but easy to check, and you should always check it. So now we've got this chart essentially mapping out the current landscape of the solid state battery pattern. Interesting stuff. So technology routes by major companies. Cool. We've got the first route, sulfide electrolyte, the EV industry mainstream. Okay, interesting stuff. We've even got this useful table that shows key patent filers and their specific focuses.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
We've got the second technology route. Now, of course, this isn't something I'm particularly interested in or into in terms of my existing line of work, but this was just an example to show you exactly what you can do with this platform here. You can also do some quick research and monitor even the latest patent filings and industry news for companies that are actually filing the most interesting or most relevant patents in this particular niche of emerging tech. So yeah, definitely check out this platform if you think it would be useful for you.